What's up, guys? So if you didn't know, I'm at work. I work part-time at Advanced Auto. What is this, dude? Wait. There's a drift event this weekend, man. Like, come on, stop snowing. It's gonna be like in the 50s all week, so it all should be melted by then, but seriously? I still got drifting. I got tires to burn, baby. All right, guys, so same day later. It's cold as hell outside. We got Adam's car all done. Holy man, this thing is wide. God damn, that looks good. I'm telling you, Crown Carbon Crafting, dude, hit them up. Damn, that looks good. Cosmos wheels. Boy, is she wide. Low life. This thing is meaty, dude. So good. That back bumper actually looks really nice. Any crazy rubs or anything?
Not really.
Good stuff. Your brakes might need to be changed, maybe.
That's that whole new side. All that assembly.
Yeah, when you hit the brakes right there a little bit, I heard it a little bit.
Yeah, it hit the resonator when I bought them.
Oh yeah, I heard that too.
Got a little loose on me coming around the corner, but
It's cold, dude.
yeah.
Just be easy. Don't throw it into a curb again soon, all right?
No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm planning to keep it in somewhat good condition.
Man, this thing looks good, man. Minus the like paint defects and
When I went around the
shit.
corner over there, and I got a little bit of hot back in, so I don't know.
Yeah.
That could be the spacers or.
Well, they're new tires too. It's really cold out.
Yeah, that bumper just needs to get resprayed.
Yeah.
Don't make it a lot.
Oh yeah, get that bumper fixed up.
The bumper, the seats, the ride seats are gonna make it.
But overall, dude, it looks fire, man. It looks so good.
It's a work
really
in progress,
does.
but it'll get there.
What's up, guys? So we are here today to start getting the car ready for this weekend. It is now Friday. Sorry the content has been slow. I haven't really been like doing a whole lot. Been in school and yeah. So I'm gonna back the car out, clear out the trunk and some stuff like that. The drift event is in 2 days. Hello there. what happens when you change your engine twice in like 3 months. Your trunk becomes disgusting. So I'm gonna go ahead and take all this junk out of there, because you're not supposed to have things in your trunk when you're drifting, obviously. And there we have it. This thing is hella disgusting though. A lot of corrosion from an old battery I used to have in here. It actually got a hole punctured in it and it leaked everywhere. So all that paint is coming off. But I'm gonna clean all that up pretty soon, and I might actually just cut the whole thing out. But we'll see what happens. Worst case scenario, I'll just wire brush everything and repaint it, make it all nice and pretty again. But yeah, you know, just got the four-way in there for helping me change tires, because I don't have a nice impact at the event. And jumper cables, you never know. But yeah, that's that. So yeah, she's ready to go. I'm excited. This is the first time I'll ever have had my car at this track. It's Shawano US Air. Probably a lot of you guys have seen videos from there, or even drifted there if you're from this area. But yeah, it looks so good. I love this car. Although I think I'm going to, over winter, I'm going to change my full kit. So if anyone wants this body kit, obviously not the wide body, I'm keeping that, but that's a BN Sports rear bumper. I modified it, as you can see, to just look better with the rest of my kit. But that bumper, the Charge Speed side skirts, and the Vertex front bumper, along with the Vertex canards, or canards, however you want to say it, those will be coming off the car. So if any of you are interested, let me know, because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go full BN Sports. It'll probably end up being a rep kit because it's like way cheaper, and it's a drift car. I'm probably gonna destroy it anyways, so I might as well get a knockoff. But yeah, full BN, and then I almost wish I hadn't cut that now, because it, yeah, you know. But and then I'm gonna get the car repainted like a blue, like how my Z was, like a real bright, vibrant blue, like that grabber blue almost from the Mustangs and stuff. Yeah, but it is what it is for now. Oh, and yeah, I'm gonna redo the wheels, probably white. Yeah. Oh yeah, and I borrowed some RPF ones from a buddy. Got some tires put on them, and I've also got like I got two 350Z wheels that are 18s, and I got two Cobra wheels that are 17s. I got tires on all 6. I got some friends bringing me extra tires. I just sold that crappy welder I had for like really cheap, just to get some extra cash for the tire changer for the event. Like, now that I know what a good weld is, that welder wasn't worth shit. I mean, it was garbage. I probably would never use it again. So I just got rid of it. Yeah, so I should have plenty of tires for the event. It's supposed to rain, but I mean, if it doesn't, I'll have tires, so that's good. But yeah, so thanks for watching. I know this was probably a short video, but I will see you this weekend. You guys will probably see this video. You'll be seeing it like Monday, I think. But yeah. Oh, well, I should say, not this video. You will see the next video like Monday. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, leave a comment. I don't know, whatever. But see you guys later.